Who is that girl? Is that Poison Ivy? I think it is. I think it is Poison Ivy. Hey. What's up, my curry queens? It's your girl, Poison Ivy. Just kidding, it's your girl, Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's Halloween time, guys, and for today I have this amazing look for you. And if you guessed it right, yes, it is Poison Ivy. I loved Poison Ivy growing up. Like, I thought she was super sexy, super cute. And don't mind me, guys, like, I hurt my finger earlier doing the stupidest thing. Like, it was literally something that a 2-year-old could have done, and I did it and still managed to injure myself. So if you see that throughout the video, I am truly sorry. My nails aren't done. Don't look at that. We're just looking at the face right now. That's it, just the face, okay? All right, guys, so we're about to start right now. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Yeah. All right, guys, so we're just gonna go jump right into the tutorial. I did my foundation. I also did my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows the same way I always do them. The only thing that's different, obviously, is the red shadow. I'll go ahead and put a link on the video just to show you how I do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in my Tartiste Pro palette. And I'm gonna go in with bold. And I'm gonna go on my eyebrow bone with that shade. So now I'm gonna go into my Jeffree Star palette and use the color Nate. They not together no more, but we not even gonna talk about it. And I'm gonna take this color pretty far out because I want it to be a nice, like, boom, cat eye type look. And guys, I like to use windshield wiper motions just to get that full effect. And you can also put more color on. Don't do too much. The very first time you do it, it's just gonna, you're not gonna like it and you're gonna regret it. So start little and you can always pack on. Super easy. So now I'm gonna go into that same palette and I'm gonna go into Wake and Bake and put it right on top of the green, like in between the green and the beige that I was doing. It's a nice transition. Now I'm getting a more like defined blending brush. This is usually what you can use for more definition in your crease. So I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette and use Daddy, not Zaddy, Daddy. And I'm gonna go into, I need some more space. I keep knocking things over. So now I'm gonna go into my crease with that color. And I'm also, once I pack it in, I'm gonna do kind of like V motions on my outer corner just to bring it out and like snatch it a little bit. I don't know what that was. Now that I have put those main colors on, I'm gonna use a clean blending brush and kind of just seamlessly blend everything and then go on to my next shade. Okay, so now for my inner eye, I'm gonna go in with, So for my inner eye, I'm gonna go in with Black Bean by NYX, or NYX, or however you wanna call it. And I'm gonna cut my crease. gonna get like a flat like concealer brush or anything flat and kind of dense so that it doesn't move around too much, so you can have some control. And what I like to do is start open my eye so I can see where I need to go. Can y'all hear me, or am I like talking low as heck right now? Kind of feather out the outside of the black so it's easier to blend. So I'm gonna go into my L'Oreal Infallible. It's like a powdery eyeshadow, glitter shadow. I get some of that and I'm gonna pack it on to the black bean that I just had put on. So that's how it looks. And then when you take this off, it's like that. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to drop it. All right guys, so now I'm gonna go back into Nate in my Jeffree Star palette. I am going to go on my lower lash line. It's taking like a fluffy angled brush, not a regular angled brush, but this one is fluffy, so I can still do the same thing an angled brush can do. It's just not as defined. So now we're gonna go back into Daddy. We switching from palette to palette today. I'll go in with Daddy. I was about to say Big Daddy. No, it's just Daddy. And we're gonna go closer to our lower lash line. So you saw how I brought this whole one down. I'm just gonna stick to the actual lash line. And gradually I'm making it darker and then fading down into a lighter green. Perfect. So I'm gonna go into Spooky. Ooh. Oh my. I'm gonna go in with my angled brush. Going with a defined crease brush with my Spooky. Back in with Golden Emerald and spray my brush with NYX Bare Me. I've used this forever and I don't even know the name of it. I keep messing it up. NYX Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh Spray. It's a multitasking spray. Check it out. Just saying, NYX, you know, hit me up. Grab a little bit of that and a little bit of that. And then we're gonna put it on the inner corner of your eye. Pick this a little bit. I have these amazing lashes by Lashing Out LLC. Her name is Lady Banks, and she just started selling these amazing eyelashes that you guys have to support her. She's doing things. Like, so Queen, I see you. I'm about to wear Drama Queen. It's about to be a Kyrie Drama Queen right now. Here comes the funky part. Hopefully I don't mess up my entire look with this, but this is Poison Ivy, so she needs to be snatched with her contour, but she's not really human, you know. She's part plant, part photosynthesis. Like, she can pretty much Mother Nature, like, hello. And my sign is an earth sign, so this is perfect. We're gonna go in with Daddy and contour our face with that. I got these little leaves from Walmart. They came in a little bundle like this, you know, section. And place it. So what do you guys think? I know it was a crazy tutorial, but I loved it. I hope you guys loved it, and I cannot wait for you to see my next look that I'm about to do. If you guys like today's look, drop a like, drop a leaf, drop anything you can to show Mother Nature's support. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. I love you, and I'm so happy that you guys have been supporting me. I know I've been kind of like on and off with the whole posting schedule, but I am working on it. My schedule at work has changed, so hopefully that will help me a little bit more, and it will help me get out some more content for you guys. But I do appreciate every minute, every second that you watch, every like, every comment, every subscribe that you give. That just shows that you support me and support what I'm trying to do. I should have done this a long time ago, to be honest, but better late than never. I love you guys. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.